They say a tractor is only as useful as the implement you put behind it. And let's be honest, walking into an implement dealer is like being a kid in a candy store. You see that shiny orange, green, or red metal, and you start imagining all the work you're going to get done. But attachments are expensive. We are talking thousands of dollars. And there is nothing worse than dropping a paycheck on a tool that sits in the tall weeds, rusting away, because it was too much hassle to use, or simply didn't work the way you thought it would. Today, we're saving your wallet. Here are 5 tractor attachments you will likely regret buying and what you should get instead. Number 1 is the biggest purchase of them all, the backhoe attachment. Now, hold your horses, I know what you're thinking. But I need to dig. Here is the reality. A frame-mounted backhoe for a compact tractor costs anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000. For that price, you get a machine with limited reach, limited swing, and limited breakout force. Plus, taking them on and off is a nightmare. It's a 20-minute wrestling match with heavy steel and hydraulic lines. Unless you are digging trenches every single weekend, you are better off keeping that 10 grand. When you have a big digging project, rent a mini excavator for the weekend. It's faster, stronger, and you don't have to store it. Number 2, the 3-point PTO post-hole digger. This is the classic backbreaker. The problem with the rear-mounted auger is physics. The 3-point hitch does not provide down pressure. It relies on gravity. If you have rocky soil or heavy clay, that auger will just spin on top of the ground. You end up hanging off the back of the tractor trying to add weight, which is dangerous. Plus, lining it up from the tractor seat is a pain in the neck, literally. The better buy, if you need to fence, get a hydraulic auger for your front loader. You can see what you're doing, and you can use the loader's down pressure to punch through the hard stuff. Number 3 is the Sickle bar mower. These look cool, like something your grandpa used. And if you are strictly cutting clean hay, they're fine. But for general property maintenance, skip it. They are high maintenance. The teeth break constantly, they jam up the second you hit damp grass, and they cannot handle brush. If you're clearing trails or maintaining a pasture, get a rotary cutter, what most of us call a bush hog. It's a blunt instrument, it's durable, and it doesn't care if you run over a sapling. Number 4, using a finishing mower on a pasture. A lot of new tractor owners buy a finishing mower because they want their field to look like a golf course. But unless your ground is perfectly flat and rock-free, you are going to destroy this tool. The small wheels get stuck in ruts, the belts slip, and the blades dull instantly on dirt mounds. If you want a manicured look on rough ground, buy a Flail mower. They mulch better, handle uneven terrain, and are much more rugged. And finally, number 5, the rear dump scoop. Years ago, before every tractor had a front-end loader, these were essential. Today, they are mostly useless. They don't hold much material, and dumping them usually requires pulling a manual trip rope that never works right. Instead of a scoop, buy a set of pallet forks. You will use forks for moving logs, pallets, brush piles, and equipment more than any other attachment you own. Don't let the shiny paint fool you. Buy the tools that fit your land, not just your dreams. What's a piece of equipment you regret buying? Let us know in the comments below. If this video saved you a few bucks, hit that like button and subscribe for more homesteading tips. Thanks for watching.